Create this aesthetic professional poster design in Canva. Go to canva.com. Click on Custom Size. Select the square size. First, change the background color to cream color. Upload the cream wave and ice cream picture. Import the cream wave. Adjust the size and position. Change the first color to a darker. Subscribe to my channel and check the description box for the color codes and other resources. Import the ice cream picture. Adjust the size and position to the middle alignment. Go to Elements and add a coffee splash. Go to the position and drag the splash layer under the cream wave. Change the color. Go back to the elements and add a chat bubble. Rotate it to 10 degrees. Change the color. Duplicate the bubble. Flip to horizontal. Add a text. Change the font to Agbalumo. Rotate it to 10 degrees. Adjust the size and position. Add a text box. Change the color to white and rotate it 10 degrees. Duplicate the text. Go to Elements and add an ice cream image. Duplicate the image. Go to Edit and make it 70% blur. Add a strawberry from the elements. Adjust the size and position. Go to Edit and make it 70% blur also. Duplicate the image. Add your company logo. I am using a demo logo. Add a text and write your company name. Change the font to Montserrat. Go to Elements and add a shape. Corner rounding 30. Color white. Set it in the bottom middle alignment. Duplicate it 2 times. Add a call icon. Add a website icon. Duplicate this text. Now duplicate this text. Duplicate this text. Make all these uppercase and bold. Duplicate the text and change the color to white. Duplicate this text. Import a text and change the color to white. Change the font to Agbalumo. Duplicate this text. Check all the elements for reposition. Add a price tag. Change the color to white. Duplicate this text and write the ice cream price. Here is the final result. If you want to get this design template, just comment below. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.